Hey guys, this is just a quick video of my hotpoint inverter motor 9kg washing machine, because as you know, this channel is involved with elevators and also machinery, so I thought I'll do a washing machine video for you guys. So let's just get loaded up. It's quite a dirty load, this, but it should be enough to give you an idea of my machine going. There's actually some muck, look at all that, absolutely rank. So yeah, well I'll just show you it going really. So it's a really big capacity, this one, which is good enough for a very large household, like up to 7 or 6 people. I'm gonna do a full heaped tablespoon because they're pretty dirty. And I'm just gonna do a main wash. And I am gonna add a bit of fabric softener. I know you're not supposed to for the towels, but I like to just let off a bit of extra softeners to my towels, because I like to keep my towels in a clean hotel state. So just about 3/3 of a cap of fabric softener going in. There we go. Now the stuff I'm using for my fabric softener is the Comfort Blue Skies, if you're wondering. So we now need to switch on to fire up the machine. Now I'm going to use the white program for this. Going to increase the temperature to 60 degrees because I need all that muck coming off of them. I'm possibly going to do a steam hygiene as well. So yeah, 60 degrees. Actually, we're an extra rinse just in case. With steam hygiene, will take 3 hours 7 minutes, but it's actually does sense the other load that's in the other drum, so it will not actually take that long. So I just started the machine off now, and that clock icon there is flashing, telling me that it's actually sensing the weight of the laundry. Got a bit of hay fever I have right now, but it's that time of the year, obviously. And I'll show you a bit of the drum rotating as well. Might as well do. Wait a minute, that needs to come out. And if the washing machine water is above the door, or the temperature is too high, the door will remain locked, which I think is very good, because I do not want to be flooding my entire kitchen. That would not be good. And currently I'm having a new floor fitted. I'm going to be having a tile floor, if you guys are wondering. Hopefully you should be able to see of the agitation quite shortly, actually, because I've only had this machine for a year, so I'm quite experienced with it now. Make sure if I either play on a 1400 RPM spin, I have done good. It's because I want all the other moisture to be out of them as possible. Oh yeah, here we go. Should see it right about now, I think. And I've not got Paul with me today. He said that I can do it from my house today, so... Oh yep, there's a bit of agitation there for you. Now, I know that it's not a full load, but it'll be enough. I wonder if all that mud is going to come off. Hopefully it should do. So yeah, that's a overview of the hotpoint inverter motor 9 kg washing machine. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.